All right, listen up, you digital dimwits. Yes, you, the ones struggling to make a mark in the vast digital ocean. Right, gather round, you lot. It's time to get serious about your online presence. Trying to flog your wares online, are we? Setting up shop and hoping customers will just magically appear? Got a website that's drier than a Jacob's biscuit left out in the Sahara? Thought so. It's a digital wasteland out there. Problem is, nobody's finding you out there in the vast expanse of the internet. It's like shouting into the void. You're like a hermit crab in a tsunami of websites. Tiny, insignificant and easily overlooked. Lost, confused and probably a bit moist. It's a tough world out there, but don't worry. But fear not, my digitally challenged disciples. Help is at hand. Uncle David's here to unlock the mystical secrets of SEO. Yes, the magic that makes your website visible. That's search engine optimization for those of you who struggle with acronyms. It's the key to your online success. After this crash course, your website will be more popular than a plate of chips at a football match. Imagine the crowd's roar. Stick with me and I'll make you an online sensation. Your traffic will soar and your sales will follow, or at least slightly less invisible. Let's get started, shall we? SEO is like, well, imagine you've got this mate, right? He's got a massive nose, like comically large. You type bloke with massive hooter into Google and bam! His Facebook page pops up. That's SEO in a nutshell. It's all about making your website attractive to those Google search bots. You need to speak their language, understand their desires. It's like dating, but for your website. Do it right and you'll be top of the search results, drowning in website traffic. Get it wrong, and you'll be languishing in obscurity, more forgotten than that Betamax player in your attic. Keywords are the words people type into Google when they're looking for something. If you're selling rubber chickens, you want your website to be stuffed with the words rubber chicken. Don't be afraid to get specific. Giant inflatable rubber chicken with a monocle is a niche market, sure. But someone searching for that is more likely to buy from you than someone who just Googled chicken. Think of keywords as breadcrumbs. You're leading those Google bots straight to your website, where they can feast on your content like a pack of ravenous, well, bots. Section 4. On-page optimization. Spruce up your website. This is where the magic happens, folks. So you got your keywords. These are the golden nuggets that will help your audience find you. Now you need to sprinkle them liberally throughout your website. Think of it as seasoning a dish to perfection. But don't go stuffing them in like a Christmas turkey, yeah? Overdoing it can ruin the whole experience. That's keyword stuffing, and Google hates it. Your site could get penalized, and nobody wants that. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go to a job interview wearing a tracksuit, would you? Presentation matters. Unless you're applying to be a PE teacher, in which case, crack on. Context is everything. Point is, your website needs to look the part. A clean, professional design can make all the difference. Make sure your text is easy to read, use headings and subheadings. Structure helps guide your visitors, and for God's sake, use some images. Visuals can break up text and make your content more engaging. Nobody wants to stare at a wall of text unless they're studying for their A-levels. Keep it dynamic and interesting. Remember, a well-optimized website isn't just about search engines, it's about creating a great user experience. Smooth navigation, engaging content, and a visually appealing design will keep your visitors coming back for more. So, spruce up your website and watch your online presence flourish. Section 5. Link building. Popularity contest for websites. This is where the magic happens, folks. Right, so your website's looking good, it's packed with keywords, and it's optimized to the hilt. But how do you get Google to notice you? Links, my friend. Quality links from reputable sources. Links are the currency of the internet. They're like digital votes of confidence. Think of it like a popularity contest. The more votes you get, the more popular you become. The more websites that link back to yours, the more Google thinks, ooh, this website must be important. It's like a digital thumbs up. It's like having a mate who knows everyone at the pub. The more connections you have, the more credible you appear. Get your website featured on blogs, forums, even your nan's online knitting group. Every link counts. The more links, the merrier. Each link is a step closer to the top of the search results. But don't go buying links, yeah? That's cheating, and it can get you in serious trouble. And Google's got eyes everywhere. They can spot a dodgy link from a mile away, so play fair and earn those links the right way.